Hello there, I'm Natasha Antonioni, Austin realtor and intentional designer here. As we embrace the spirit, I invite you to embark on a journey of introspection, real estate planning. This is the time of year to reflect and set the stage for your next 1 to 3 years in the realm of real estate planning. They say we tend to think we can accomplish more in a year than is often realistic, but less in 3 years than is possible. Why do you think that is? Momentum is the answer. It can be challenging getting something new off the ground because of the learning curves involved. But once we have momentum, which is gold in the business world, then that ball starts gaining speed as our goals and accomplishments do. First, let's start by looking back. Take a moment to reflect on the past year. Celebrate your successes, acknowledge the challenges, and learn from them. What worked well in your real estate, business, and life endeavors? What valuable lessons did you gain? This may be a good moment to pause and write it down. I'll be here when you return. When it comes to real estate planning, it's not a mere checklist of goals. It's about intentionality. It's about envisioning your future, not just with your mind, but with your heart. Imagine the life you want to lead, the properties you want to own, and the financial freedom that you seek. But don't stop there. Feel those goals deeply. How does it feel to achieve them? What changes will they bring to your life? Why is that important to you? We all know by now that without a why, we often don't have the juice we need to push through. So possibly hit that pause button again and consider what your why is. For example, I have 2 beautiful daughters. They are my and our everything. And I know I can speak for my husband and I alike in that we both want to leave them a legacy. We want to leave them something that will help them get ahead in their own lives. Firstly, by them watching us build our real estate portfolio since they were little, it shows them what it takes to keep pushing forward. And if they have an interest in real estate one day, they can stand on our shoulders to start ahead of where we started. And even if they choose another path, seeing something get built over a lifetime is a lesson in itself and can be applied to anything that they may want to build. Legacy also allows them the freedom to get to know themselves and choose what calls them and speaks to their truth. One powerful tool to aid this process is creating a vision board. It's not just about placing images on a board. It's about creating a visual representation of your dreams. Place pictures of the properties you aspire to own, the locations you desire, and the lifestyle you envision. But most importantly, sit in the space of feeling those goals as if they've already been achieved. Place them in a spot you can see them daily. You won't even see them after a while, but your subconscious mind will, and it will help move you towards those goals, one day at a time. I can't stress enough the importance of being intentional. In my own real estate journey, I've found that setting clear intentions and feeling them deeply has been a driving force behind my success and the successes of huge investors I've worked for. They know where they're going and they just charge towards it without pause. They are intentionally driven toward what they want unapologetically. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the passion and purpose behind each investment and individual dream. Now, as you embark on your real estate planning for the next 1 to 3 years, here are some practical tips. Number 1, reflect on achievements. Take stock of what you've accomplished. Celebrate the wins, learn from challenges, and carry those lessons forward. Number 2, define clear goals. Be specific about your real estate objectives, whether it's acquiring new properties, increasing rental income, or diversifying your portfolio. Clarity is your compass. Number 3, craft a roadmap. Break down your goals into manageable steps. What can you do each month to move closer to your larger objectives? Number 4, embrace flexibility. Life is so dynamic and so is real estate. Stay open to adjusting your goals as circumstances change. Flexibility is the key to resilience, and sometimes you'll be pushed towards something that will work out even better than what you thought you wanted, especially in a changing market. So remain open. As we approach the new year, I encourage you to approach your real estate planning with intentionality. Envision your goals, feel them deeply, and take deliberate steps towards turning those dreams into achievements. Thank you for spending this time with me. Here's to a successful and fulfilling real estate journey ahead. Happy planning. We'll see you soon. Bye.